We have a 2005 Zx6r. It's got some miles on it, but it is in excellent condition. It's got just over 20,000 miles. I bought it from the second owner. He's owned it for 3 years. He is getting through college and needed to move on from it. Great shape, spare key, extra top, Wisconsin registered bike. Nice frame sliders. The only issues as far as damage, it tipped over once in the garage, you can see there. And on this side, you can see it went down once over here, or went through some grass or something, because the fairings are all perfect, so I'm not sure why the side cover looks like that. It's got a battery tender. Forks were redone 2 years ago for seals and everything. Chain and sprockets are excellent. Pilot Pure dual compound tires that are like brand new. Still have the nubbies on them. And let's fire it up. Let me know. You can look down below on how to contact us at recycle.cg.